Hello everyone! Welcome to my humble jewelry making channel Coco Beads. This is Laura and today I'd love to show you how to make this 5-strand plait or braid depending the side of the world you are. It's super easy and I hope it sparks an idea to help you to make nice jewelry. You just need waxed cotton cord and you'll be ready to make lots of them. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the notification sign and you'll be notified by YouTube every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember to still beautiful, smile and be very happy.